People are asking me about the TIN number or tax ID. That if they didn't link their account with the TIN number or tax ID, they are going to block or they are going to park their money. No, because if you move your money from conventional banks like First Bank, GT Bank to microfinance, OPA, PAPay, Kudaco, your account is still linked with your BVN or NIN. So definitely, there's no way you're running to, and you can't park all your money as cash and put it in your pocket. Nobody is blocking your account as at 1st of January because you don't have TIN number or tax ID. Importantly, if you are not even a civil servant, there is no way you are going to have tax ID. And if you are not a person that runs a business that is registered, there is no way you are going to have tax identity number. Okay, so whether TIN number or tax ID is still the same thing. For those that are already working as a civil servant, you already have what you call TIN number. If you don't have, ask your organization to provide it for you. But mind you, nobody will block your accounts as at 1st of January because you have not linked it. You have not linked all your accounts with your TIN number. Hear from the OSIS mouth, the man in charge of the tax reform.
Sir, is it true that everyone must obtain a tax ID before operating a bank account?
Yes, but with some exceptions. Section 4 of the NTAA requires taxable persons to register and obtain a tax ID. A taxable person is anyone who earns income through trade, business, or any economic activity. So banks must request a tax ID from taxable persons. This means individuals who don't earn income, like students or dependents, don't need to obtain a tax ID.
So, is this a new rule?
No, not at all. This policy has existed since the Finance Act of 2020.
What happens if a taxable person doesn't register by January 1st, 2026?
Excellent question. It is important to know that this is not a new requirement. So most taxable persons who are required to obtain TIN or tax ID are already compliant. However, any taxable person without a tax ID may have difficulties running their bank account in the near future. But again, this does not apply to individuals who don't earn income from investment or business.
Some people say the real intention of the government is to take money from people's bank accounts behind their back.
No, that is incorrect. First, these provisions are standard globally and currently exist under the old tax laws. Second, it is only a last resort that requires a series of procedures, often involving a court order where a taxpayer fails to dispute or pay an established tax liability. From a practical perspective, this power is rarely used and may only be worthwhile where a substantial tax payment is due by a high net worth individual or a big corporation.
That is good to know. So, my 50,000 naira account balance is safe.
Yes, even if you have millions in your account, your money is safe.